This is Total Telecom TV with Philippe Dumont, the CEO of EllaLink. Philippe, we're here at Submarine Networks EMEA. It's a very exciting year for you guys, 2020. Tell me why.
Well, good morning, Brian. It's very exciting because this is 2020, and 2020 happens to be the year where we will be putting in service EllaLink, a cable which is connecting Europe with Brazil.
And give me a bit more detail. There's some cities within inside those countries as well that you're linking up to, isn't there?
Okay, so let's talk about Europe first, and then we'll move on to the Brazilian part. So in Europe, we are connecting Madrid and Lisbon, okay, terrestrially to a little town which is 160 kilometers south of Lisbon, which is called Sines. I'll try to do it right with the Portuguese pronunciation, but that's more or less what that is. Sines, 160 kilometers south of Lisbon. From that point, okay, which is the land where Vasco da Gama was born, we're going to be moving the cable down to Fortaleza. Fortaleza is very well known in the industry because this is a big hub for subsea cable. There are about 13 cable landing in that place, quite big. We're landing there, and from that place we're going to be connecting our customers located in São Paulo or in Rio.
I see, and it's later this year, I think, you're due to make the big announcement?
Hopefully for Christmas. That's going to be a nice gift for all of us who are working hard for the last years. Yeah, that's the end of the year, technically.
Now you're here at the event, I know you've been speaking at the event. What else, what other trends are you seeing at the moment? It seems a very exciting time in the submarine space.
Overall, it's been fantastic years, lots of deployment everywhere. I'd say that for what we see on this side of the world, a lot of new projects arriving from Africa, and because it's Africa, Portugal is a very important place because Portugal is the first country that you can reach when you are on the west coast of Africa. So yes, we see a lot of cables coming from Africa. We see Portugal becoming a hottest place compared to before, and that's being driven, of course, by the GAFAs, but not only. That's largely a question around increasing the amount of capacity and connection points that there is on this planet.
And the event here this week obviously is bringing together hundreds of experts in submarine. Why is it important for you to be at an event like this?
Well, that event, I was there last year, I'm here this year. It's one of these events where if you're EllaLink, and business operating in Europe, you have to be there. Everybody's there, your customers, your partners, everybody discuss. It's quite friendly and relatively small compared to other conferences, so it does increase the level of interactions, informal interaction that you have with whoever you may need to discuss with. So that's an excellent format, that's an excellent location, very easy to connect to London. So yes, that's one of these conferences where you need to be.
Philippe, good luck with the project. Thank you very much for talking to us today.
Thank you, Brian.